The other thing I want to show you is microscope. This is the microscope I got today from I got this microscope from a thrift store Goodwill. It comes with this this thing right here. This thing right here. Yeah, this thing right here. I don't know where the other thing went to, but you'll find it. And it also comes with this thing right here. This is not to drink or eat. And trust me, you don't want to get this in your eye. You don't want to get this in your eye. And it also comes with this plug. Yeah, so this and this. These came with this microscope I got today. And you can learn some things by using a microscope. I had another microscope. There's a red one, but that one, you know where that one went, so I had to get this one. And you can learn a lot of things by using this. This is an electronic microscope. Hope you know. So yeah, this is a microscope you can use for different things.